Toyota is stirring up excitement once again, teasing us with a glimpse of the new Land Cruiser, and this time, it's giving off some cool retro vibes. The latest image gives us a close-up view of the front fascia and some other neat details, ditching the silhouettes from before. In the picture, the new Land Cruiser, expected to hit the market around 2025, is seen side by side with the Land Cruiser FJ62 from the 1980s. The new model seems to draw inspiration from its predecessor, sporting a rectangular headlight setup on each side of an egg crate grille. The brand emblem in the center has been replaced by the word Toyota. Plus, the front fenders have a cool blocky design, though the hood wrapping down onto the sides adds a modern touch. One noticeable change from the retro theme is the chunky front bumper. This alteration is likely due to modern safety standards, but Toyota seems to have found a balance by adding a thick contrast color center section to make it stand out. We can't see much of the lower front end, but it appears that the bumper is positioned reasonably high, which should help with approach angles for off-roading. You can also catch a glimpse of a skid plate peeking out from the center. The teaser allows us to spot some key differences between the Toyota Land Cruiser and its cousin, the Lexus GX. In the previous teaser, we noticed that both vehicles will probably share a platform and body structure because of their similar up-kicked beltline and upright windshield. However, Toyota has designed the Land Cruiser's front end to be blockier, likely catering to its intended audience and giving it a distinct look compared to the more angular headlights and spindle motif grille found on the Lexus GX. Now, when it comes to specific details like dimensions and powertrain specifications, we'll have to wait until Toyota fully reveals the 2025 Land Cruiser. But looking at the Lexus GX, we can get an idea of what to expect. The GX features a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that pumps out an impressive 349 horsepower and a whopping 479 pound-foot of torque. It comes with full-time four-wheel drive, a torsion center differential, and a selectable low range, perfect for conquering challenging terrains like rocky trails. So, there you have it. Toyota's newest Land Cruiser is generating a lot of buzz with its retro-inspired design, and while we don't have all the details just yet, we can expect it to be a formidable off-road machine just like its predecessor. Stay tuned for the full reveal, and we'll keep you updated.